Hello everyone, my name is Matteo Romano and I'm a certified LinkedIn ads specialist. I'm also the founder of a marketing agency based in Spain, Madrid, and we can offer our services in English, Spanish, Italian and French. With this gig, we will fully set up everything you need to have a really successful LinkedIn advertising campaign. We will research your competitors, we will investigate your audience, we will create banners and videos that really stand out and help you achieve your goals. We will fully set up the campaign, track its conversions, and make sure you really are successful. So we've worked with companies throughout the globe with different media spend, and we have the right expertise for you. So if you'd like to start working with us and see how we can help you being successful in your niche, just feel free to drop us a message and we will schedule a first free consultation for you. Thank you very much. Have a good day.